let's see how you can easily activate your DBS credit card online in just a few simple steps. Welcome back to another simple app tutor video, everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to activate our DBS credit card, and the process is pretty similar for your ATM or debit card, so just follow my steps and watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. The very first step that I will do is to open this website where we will have a step-by-step instruction on how we can activate our DBS card. The application is not available for my region, so I'll have to do it this way. You want to make sure that you have the DBS Digibank mobile application installed on your device. The app is available on the App Store, the Google Play Store, or the App Gallery. So download the app if you haven't already, and you want to make sure that you are logged in with your Touch ID or Face ID, or make sure that you are logged in with your Digibank user, ID, and PIN. Once you are logged in, you want to click on the More button in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the More tab, you'll want to find the Manage Cards and Loans section and then find the Activate Cards button. Click on that button and then Activate Credit Card. After that, you want to select the card that you want to activate. When you select the specific credit card, simply enter the card details on this page and then tap on Activate Card. And that's it. Our DBS credit card will now be activated and we can use it without a problem. If you want more similar videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and I will see you soon.